everyone, welcome back to Georgie's Gaming Vacuum Cleaners. Today, as you can see, me and my sister are going to perform the Henry toy vacuum, the new version, and the Dyson similar vacuum. So, before, please like and subscribe. And please, shout out. Yes, who are we going to shout out today? No one? No. Alright, let's get straight to it.
I want to do a shout out to Daniel.
Okay, right, so, as you know, please like and subscribe, and let's get straight to it. So, we're going to pause the video, make a line of some cereals for both the vacuums to pick up. We'll get them ready, and so we'll get straight to it. But first, so as you can see for the hose, there's a bit of a difference for the newer Henry. As you can see, it's got a screw instead of a push of my other toy Henry. We'll do a review of it another time. So we've got
three different cereals.
Yes, 3 different cereals, maybe. So we're going to have the original plastic and black tubes, same handle. 4 heads different. It's the original one, not the original. It's got a parking bracket. So there you go, roller. And on the back of the machine, you have the tools, things to store the tools. I couldn't find the tools. And then you could park the bracket like that. So there's your. And then also, instead of having a switch, you have your on button here. So we'll pause the video, get some cereals out, and let's get straight to it. So guys, as you can see, we've put both of these together, and we've got 2 types of cereal. We've assembled this one. We're going to do this one first because we'll have to pause the video, take the batteries out of this one, put them into this one. But before we start, so let's check out this one. So this one's got a brush and some wheels, 2 wheels, then 1 big clear one, and then this has a control panel which does nothing, and the click which is nothing. And then that's really it. So
Now we're going to do with Henry.
So, but first we're going to turn him on. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. As you can see, slowly, he's doing a good job. It's very well clearing up them.
You can see them going up because it's clear.
And now it's my turn. So you can take it off, and then you can see this comes easily. Oh. Right, my sister's spreading them out while I clean them. Now, as well, if you wanted to, I think right now it's my sister's turn. So, as you can see, you could do it like that, or you could do it how I was doing it. As you can see, it comes with one of those types of plug. Like, plug into
Any sticky thing.
Yeah, it's sticky, but I don't think it's sticky anymore.
It
My turn in a minute.
I'm doing Cocoa Pop. They're the brown ones, and the Rice Krispies are the yellow ones.
My
I'll do
turn.
a few more.
My turn. I've made a line.
I want to do that.
Right, put it like this way. Let's see it.
Okay.
As you can see, it's really good. It's hoovering up well.
satisfying when it goes into the
It's really satisfying. And let's put the tube back on. And now it's my turn. Always share your toys, kids. As as you can see, I think it does a better job without, but it still does the job, as you can see. Sometimes it spits them out. As you can see them coming up through the clear tube. So guys, we'll do we don't have time today, so what we're going to do is do a separate video of doing the same thing with this, but first we're just going to do a quick montage of it, just cleaning it up.
Almost done, they're very good. And we'll have to let a few more, a little bit more breakfast.
At some point we will do a bigger mess test, but we just kind of don't have time to do everything.
Because it's almost our bedtime.
No, not really.
Yeah.
So, like you can see, there's a couple of crumbs. So, guys,
by your toes.
oh, okay,
Behind you.
So guys, as you can see, oh yeah, that one.
And there's some in front of you.
So guys, as you can see,
Over there.
as you can see, there's a flap. If you open that up, you can see this comes out, and that's the dust container. And then it will have all of the bits inside. Then you can tip them out again. And then you can open them again and chip it all out. And then you can easily put the thing back in. And then you can...
We tipped them out and now we're going to spread them out again for the other
No. Or you could do it in a pile, which I was thinking of doing. But
I already missed it.
so then you could hoover it up all over again. We'll try and do it as quick as possible. So guys, that's the end today. Please like and
Subscribe.
so we're so close to 10 subscribers. Very appreciate it. We'll do a separate video. Yeah. So please like and subscribe. Please like this video if we should do a part 2 to this. So we'll see you later. Georgie's Gaming and Vacuum Cleaners.
Bye.
Peace out.